When you travel, it's so exciting because you see things that you would never see at home, like this, for example. Here we are in Hoi An, and I thought I would take this opportunity to talk about the benefits of slow travel. We're looking for a place to eat lunch, so come along. It's not always about how many places that you see. What's more important is the time you spend in those places. We found this nice patio where we can eat lunch and enjoy the view of everything passing by. We're eating pretty Western food here in Vietnam.
Ray is a pro with those chopsticks.
When traveling, you will enjoy the experience more if you're not rushed. You need to take time to experience the environment around you. Look at all these tourists getting pedaled around. If you're traveling with kids, then it's especially important to plan some downtime in your schedule. You will actually all enjoy your time better if you do this. If you can, I suggest adding extra days to your visit, wherever it is that you're going. The extra time allows you to experience more of the day-to-day life, and you will see a lot more than just the main tourist sites. Daily life, like these students in front of me on the street, who look like they're out on a class trip. Try it for yourself next time. Move slowly instead of packing your itinerary full each day. Leave a lot of extra time and you will find that it's when some of the best experiences will happen. Hit the subscribe button. Pick one of these videos to watch next.